Hey guys, we are going to practice writing our names. No, we have not learned all of these letters yet, but I really think that we have learned most of the strokes, so we should be able to get it together. Also, I believe that some of you had K4 last year, so you should be able to write some of these letters. But this will be a video that you can always reference back to so that you can practice writing your name. All right, so first friend that we're going to look at is Aiden. All right, so his letter starts with the capital A, and we have learned that one. Slant, slant, push across. We have learned the letter I, which is a pull down with a dot. All right, the letter D is a ball, and you push up and pull down. Then the letter E is a push across, up and around. And then the letter N is a pull down with one hump. All right, Aiden. All right, slant, slant, push across, pull down with a dot. A ball, push up and pull down, push across, up and around, pull down with a hump. All right, good. So Aiden, you can practice that. All right, Skylar. Capital S is like a wiggly snake. K is a pull down, a slant, and a slant. The letter Y is a smile stroke with a big monkey tail hanging down. The letter L is a pull down. The letter E is a push across, up and around. And then the letter R is a pull down with a half hump. All right. Try again. Big snake for the S. I pull down, slant up, slant down. Smile with a monkey tail. I pull down, push across, up and around. Pull down with a half hump. Good, Skylar. So you can keep trying that. Next, we will do deuce. All right. The capital D is a pull down with a big belly. All right. Then the lowercase e is a push across, up and around. The U is a smile with a pull down. And the C is a smile that's turned on its side. Then an E is a push across, up and around. Pull down, big hump, push across, up and around. Smile with a pull down. Smile that's turned on its side. Push across, up and around. All right, next we have Elena's. All right, Deuce, so keep practicing that, okay? All right, next we have Elena's. Slant, slant, push across for our A. Then we have a pull down. Then we have a ball with a pull down with a dot, pull down with a hump, a ball with a pull down. All right, so let's try again. Slant, slant, push across, pull down, a ball with a pull down with a dot, pull down with a hump, and then a ball with a pull down. All right, Elena, keep practicing that. All right, next we have Orion. We have a capital O, which is just a big ball. Then we have a R, which is a pull down with a half hump, pull down with a dot for the I, a little ball for the little O, pull down with a hump, pull down with a hump, and then a push across, up and around for the E. Try it again. Big ball, pull down with a half hump, pull down with a dot, a little ball, pull down with a hump, pull down with a hump, push across, up and around. All right, Orion, keep practicing. All right, Ellie, pull down, push across, push across, push across for the capital E, pull down for the L, another pull down for another L, push across, up and around, pull down with a dot. Now this is the letter G. It's a ball with a monkey tail. Then this is the letter H. It's a pull down with a hump. Good. So let's try it again, Ellie. Pull down, push across, push across, push across. Pull down for the L, pull down for another L, push across, up and around. Pull down with a dot, a ball with a monkey tail, pull down with a hump. All right, love you guys. Please watch this as much as you need to so that you can practice writing your names. Bye-bye.